Solving number 9 in section 3.4 homework in College Math 2. The problem says to find an equation of the line having the given slope and containing the given point. Then graph the line. Okay, so our slope is 0. And our point is 0, -2. Okay, we're going to have to use the point slope form for the equation of the line. It's on page 257 in your textbook. That equation says that y minus y1 is equal to the slope times x minus x1. Right, so we're given the point 0, -2, so x1 is going to be 0 and y1 is going to be a -2. Subbing those in, we have y minus -2 equals, the slope is 0, times x minus x1 is 0. Right. On the left, y minus -2 would be y plus 2 equals 0 times x minus 0 is still 0. Then subtract 2 from both sides. We're isolating the y, or solving for y, so that we'll have 2 minus 2 is 0 on the left, only leaving y, and on the right a -2. So the equation of the line is y equals -2. Now to graph the line, it says click to enlarge. Alright, so I prefer to use this view. And I'm graphing a line, so I choose my line tool. And then the point that it goes through is 0, -2. Notice in the upper right corner, you see the coordinates of the point that is currently selected, 0, -2. So I will click there. Now to get my second point, it tells me the slope is 0. That means there is no rise. So I choose another point that will be horizontal from the y equal -2, because y will always be -2. So for any x that I choose, y is -2. So I save and check the answer. Okay. There was also a question with number 10. Alright, on number 10, we are to graph a line passing through the point -2, -2 and having an undefined slope. Then give the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line if possible. Alright, so let me enlarge. And I'm going through -2, -2. So I'll use my line tool, find -2, -2. Click there. Now to have an undefined slope, that means that it is a vertical line, because slope is defined to be rise over run, and I'm rising infinitely but running none, so that would be dividing by 0 and therefore undefined. So anytime you're looking for an undefined slope, you're looking at a vertical line. And just as before, I choose any other point on that line. And save and check. Alright. Now as far as the equation, the slope-intercept form for the equation of the line. The slope-intercept form for the equation of the line is, let me get us a new writing board. The slope-intercept form is y not wanting to write again, y equals mx plus b. Well, the line that we just drew never crosses the y-axis, so there is no b. And the slope we said was undefined, so there's nothing we can put in there. So our correct answer will be B. There is no slope-intercept form. I hope this was helpful.